Tutorial Part 1 Input Panel. Open a CMYK image and start your job by filling out RetouchXPress input panel. If you're using demo mode, the image cannot exceed the 599 by 599 pixel limit. In the top section of the panel, you can activate automations to optimize the layer structure of the incoming file. The selected type of layers will be automatically deleted from the file. Non-raster layers will be rasterized. In the next section, you can define press specifications. The minimum printable dot value in your PSD file, percentage or gray level, maximum value of CMYK ink's total area coverage, the minimum dot value that you can measure on the physical print. In the last section, you can change the color profile for retouching. Currently, 2 wide gamut offset profiles are available as a retouching color space. After or during processing your file in RetouchXPress, you can also assign your own profiles from Photoshop's Edit, Assign Profile menu. If you leave this box unticked, your file will be assigned into the selected profile. If you tick this box, you will convert your file to the selected profile. Finally, you can change the industry standard resolutions. 609.6 dpi is recommended for hybrid screen output to define transition areas more accurately in your file. Click on Process to get to RetouchXPress working panel. Continue with Tutorial Part 2.